The OnePlus 15T is rumored to be launching in March, and today some more details about its screen and cameras have been leaked in China. According to digital chat station on Weibo, the 15T has a 6.32-inch screen with 1.5K resolution, a 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto camera, and a 16MP selfie camera. There's no third camera on the back, just like we saw with the OnePlus 13T, which came last April. In fact, its successor's cameras seem identical, at least in resolution. Of course, there's always a chance of an update to the sensors or the processing or both. The OnePlus 15T will allegedly be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, and it's expected to come with the largest battery ever put in a device of this size. This will be between 7,000 mAh and 8,000 mAh, and will support wireless charging, which was missing on the 13T. According to earlier rumors, the OnePlus 15T weighs 194 g and will be offered in relaxing matcha, healing white chocolate, and pure cocoa colorways, with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage.